the seminars around teaching or demonstrating how to properly pay respects to a Swami. Now, how can you test that? What can you get this to? How can you test that?
You can bring Swami to the room in the end of the class.
Yeah. Ask them to, okay. Okay, so by the end of the seminar, the students will be able to demonstrate that they can pay respects to a Swami. So that's an objective. And then you can see it, you can see if they've taken from it, you can see if they've learned from it.
So like in this course, in the end of the course, students will be able to make a presentation with the
Different facilitations, yeah. That's it. Okay, let's see if we've got some examples. Yep, so by the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain basic concepts of cooperation, demonstrate some of their preliminary skills, and explain the value of appropriately respecting all members of the community. So this is knowledge of those values. So in your presentations, I'll be looking for a few aims and objectives that link with those aims.
A few aims?
Yeah, you may have one aim or you may have two. I've seen that more than 2 in 40 minutes might be a bit tricky, but I've seen 3 aims in 40 minutes as well. By the way, sometimes you may achieve your aim in like 5 minutes. It might just be 5 minutes that it takes to achieve an aim, depending on what it is. There's no particular hard and fast rule. I need a scribe. I need somebody to write, please. Some answers.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can you please about this task? You just said about presentation.
Yeah.
And yesterday you said presentation of communication and
Yeah. So 4 groups,
yes.
40 minutes each. You're going to facilitate a seminar.
Seven.
Yeah.
So
You're going to do
like
some
lecture.
facilitation. Pardon?
Like lecture, something like that.
Lectures, one facilitation method.
Yes, I remember.
Yeah.
So,
But you're going to use a variety of facilitation
alright.
methods.
So it could be presentation. It could be brainstorming and something else.
Yeah, so in each presentation, I was going to clarify this later, but I can clarify now. In each presentation, there's going to, I'd like to see one experiential exercise,
Yeah.
at least one group activity, experiential exercise, at least one group activity, one group activity, and then one other type of interaction, whole class interaction. So a whole class interaction could be a brainstorm or a whole class discussion. So your facilitation seminars will have a group activity, a whole class activity, and an experiential exercise.
Experimental exercise is the one when you like psychology style, you ask questions.
Yeah, you ask them to reflect on their experience and the whole cycle of the debrief.
We should do all the group or every person?
Pardon?
Every person have to do 40 minutes, all these 3.
Yoga Maya is a comedian.
No, all these things
Is what?
that you tell to the
Yeah.
group things and everything. Each person should do it or it's in the whole one group should do it?
No, it'll be in your groups. You'll choose one person to lead you through a section of that facilitation.
One section. And then
Yeah, because for example, if you have 2 people doing a whole class discussion, it works. If you have 2 people leading a group exercise, it will be confusing. So you'll choose one of your members to do each a particular section. Is that no? Okay. Yeah. Like that. Otherwise, it'll be too confusing. Right, so there may be some introduction and a brainstorm, and however you wish to order your lesson plan. Okay. What are some obstacles or reasons people give to not regularly study spiritual books? What are some obstacles?
No time.
No time. No time.
This is like many.
This is the main reason. Everybody will do. Not interested.
No time.
I'm tired.
Yoga Maya, you said? Not interested.
No, I said no time.
No time? Bhakti Shastra?
No interest.
Not interested. Not interested?
No
Interested?
interest.
No taste.
Boring.
No taste.
I don't understand what is written.
Too hard to understand.
Right teacher not available.
The right teacher is not available. Too hard to understand. The right teacher unavailable.
Boring.
You said?
Books unavailable.
Books unavailable.
But now we have for the planner by some internet. Computer is available in phone.
Hey, no money.
Right teacher, books unavailable, and then I heard boring.
Boring.
Boring. No money.
No
To
money.
buy the
I
book.
can't
No?
buy no money.
You can't, no money.
No money, I have to work, so no time and I'm tired.
So that's a link. You just synergize the problems. Okay.
What else was there?
Well, no money. Books not available.
Exhausted at the end of the day to read.
No energy.
I don't understand why I have to read it.
Too tired. So we've got no time, no money, and no energy. And then on top of that, if we do have that, it's too hard to understand. Okay. So no energy. I need to say too hard to understand.
I don't understand why I need to read it.
Oh. What? I don't understand that. No. I don't understand the value. I don't understand the value. What's the point?
Why I should study every day?
Why every day? Why not every week?
Yeah, something like that. I learn one sentence.
Every year on your master.
Every yeah. Why every day? Why every day?
Why every day?
Yeah. Why daily? And I heard another answer.
Hang on.
Kids. People say I have kids.
I've got kids. I've got
I
kids.
can't read. I have parents.
I just can't read.
Read a Krishna book.
Or sometimes they say, this is also many times in India, oh, I have this book. Did you read it? No, I have them. They just have the book.
Yeah. So keeping books are enough. Having the books are enough. Right? Possessing the books are enough.
Yeah.
Or also
Don't have to
they say,
just possess them. That they're in the house.
Or you can listen to them too.
Can you listen to them?
Yeah. Books.
You can, yeah. But just put there as one of the problems that people say is possessing the books are enough.
Or I know this already.
Already know this? Why do I need to read it again? Already know this? Other is repetitive. Repetitive.
How long I should hear I know this body?
How many times do I need to hear about this body?
I'm bored of
As many as it takes.
Sometimes it's complicated.
I put here too hard to understand.
Yeah, how to say this? A devotee heard me,
it. So many practices.
so I'm not reading
Read it.
books anymore.
I was hurt by a devotee, so therefore, I'm not going to study for my own liberation. Okay, so put too hurt.
There's so much content, there's no end to it.
It's just endless.
I don't understand why.
Endless.
Why I have to read about time, like for many hundred pages. It's irrelevant.
Too many pages.
No, like some topics seem so irrelevant to my life.
irrelevant. Topics are irrelevant. And I heard something around here. Yeah.
I would like to, but hard to concentrate.
It requires concentration. And yeah.
Someone practice on it.
Other reasons or obstacles to
After
reading.
this class, I will start thinking.
What's that?
After this class, I might start looking so many reasons.
I'm listening classes, it's enough.
Other reasons?
I'm listening classes, it's enough.
Yeah. I'm listening to classes, is enough? Is enough?
Lack of appropriate circumstances like light, room,
So the environment.
environment.
The environment is just not suitable.
No peace, no peace.
And what?
No peace.
No peace.
No cars.
It's too loud. It's too loud. It's just too loud where I live. I need to be in the village or the countryside.
Have you got this?
What's that?
No eyesight.
I've got no eyesight. My eyesight's too poor. My eyesight's too poor.
My glasses are broken.
And my glasses are broken on top of that. Other reasons for not regularly studying spiritual books. What else? I can't remember what else I had.
I forgot.
Yeah, oh yeah, you can even say that. I forget them. I read them and they just go in one ear and out the other.
I have so many service.
I've got so much service. So much services. No time to read. Oh, here's what I heard. One time Bhakti Vidyapuna Swami was sitting down and he was reading. Nectar of Devotion. And then somewhere one of his like the temple authorities, he said, why are you reading? He said, right, it says the book that you're reading tells you to do service, so therefore you should do service. So that can cover it. Too much service, or the books tell you to serve, so no need to read it. That's deep. Any other?
It was a great one for me.
I watch it. I watch like the Mahabharata and stuff, so I don't need to read.
They've made films from them. I don't need to read. They've made films. There's Nollywood and Hollywood and Bollywood. They've made no films. No. Any other reasons for that reading?
I fall asleep when I read.
I fall asleep when I read.
Yeah.
They make me sleepy.
The list is endless.
Endless, yeah.
We're not Giannis.
We're
not Giannis.
We're not Gyanis, sir. We're not. Gyanis is J-N-A. N-I. J-N-A. N-I. J. Not G. J.
Somehow I feel we're getting ourselves in a trouble.
Okay. J.
Class is finished.
N-I. We're not Gyanis. Gyanis, by the way, is someone who they try to liberate themselves through studying the difference between matter and spirit. So they're intellectual. They're they're heavily involved with philosophy. We're not Gyanis. Yeah. Any other reasons? Mahatma Prabhu once said that the super soul reciprocates with our desires, right? Say, they mention that anytime we want to make an excuse for something, the super soul can invest in us hundreds of excuses. Isn't it? Excuses that we'll never dream of. And they just manifest self-evident effulgent excuses. Okay, so, anything?
Quite minor.
Any other reasons to study?
I want the book to stay perfect.
Is what?
I want the book to stay perfect, and I'm going to study it with my head.
I don't want to dirty the book. Right? I don't want to dirty. I want it to stay clean or in a packet.
can't do it alone. I need people.
I can only read with people. And everyone's busy doing service because the books told them to serve. I can only study with people around.
Sadhana is not for me, it's for brahmachari.
It's for brahmachari, it's for monks to study. Studies only for monks. Any other? Studies only for monks, it's not for me, it's not for real people. I've already studied enough books at university. Why do I need to study more books? I've already studied enough. I came for practical service. Oh yeah, another thing, it's not practical. It's not practical. It's studying not practical.
All knowledge is revealed by chanting.
All knowledge is revealed from within. Why do I need an external source? So put knowledge is from within. Why do I need an external source? All knowledge is from within. And it will be realized through my pure Shuddha now. My pure chanting. My pure chanting. Yeah, so knowledge is from within. Any other reasons? Any other reasons?
If Krishna will like you, will reveal everything to you.
If Krishna, yes, I think yes, yeah. It's similar, quite. Any other reasons? Okay, thank you very much. You can't be bothered. We got something like bothered. We got no taste. We got bored. Yeah, that's fine. And yeah,
Ignorance is bliss.
Ignorance is bliss. Better to not know. Isn't it? Better to not know. Then I'll be more blissful and happy. And not know, I don't need to know the realities. These books make me feel bad about me and about myself. My self-esteem goes down. I'm just a fallen, conditioned soul. Don't feel good.
Not important.
Makes me feel not important.
There is something.
Is that what you said?
No important.
Other reasons?
When I initially started to read Bhagavad Gita, and when I read first few shlokas, Krishna is too egoistic here. He is always saying, me, I, only me, I, so I don't want to read.
What is this Krishna? He's too much ego.
Too much ego.
He said, I'm God. What kind of?
I am the source of everything.
I'm the source of everything. I'm the source of you.
Worship me.
Worship me, respect me, serve me, love me. What is this me? I came to a society that's not about I, and it's me. Also, another reason
I don't like it.
Don't like it, just don't like it. And also, I've also heard
This is not my nature.
study is not my nature. This is not in my astrology. To study. Along with cleaning, also not in my astrology. So studying is not in my nature.
And I must act according to my nature.
It's not in my dharma, my nature. And then, what's the other one I heard? Oh, these books are too violent. Bhagavad Gita, no, too violent. Bhagavad Gita? On a battlefield? A book about peace? What?
God is forcing to fight?
Yeah. Or even sometimes people may find it too contradictory, isn't it? Sometimes they find it too contradictory.
God is love and he's forcing to fight?
He doesn't force him to fight. He doesn't want to fight his religions. What kind of violence is this? Okay. Thank you very much, Yuri. Yuri to Jared. Okay. That's late. Oh. I thought it was some sort of comic nickname? Or?
Oh, really? It's my artist name.
Ah, okay. So I was close. Ah, what does it mean?
So when I was first started to make music, my name was Archangel, but that was too religious for some. So I shortened it into the Ark and then A. So it's still Archangel, but just more presentable to society.
Okay, that works. We have a rapper called KRS-One.
Yeah.
Krishna 1. KRS-One. So Yuri, to Jared, what you'll do is discuss some solutions to these particular excuses. So that'd be one. Let's say Divya Singer to Chakra